washing machine again. Cause you know I must, baby. And you know I better should wash my clothes. I took a shower this morning though. I took a shower. Well, I got my load assignment. After I got my load assignment, now I'm having a breakdown issue. Had to pull in to a TA. Now I'm able to wash my clothes. Want to do it? Want to do it? Can you do them both in the same day at the same time? They split it down for me. Want to do it? I can't do my total shouting. But I'm washing. Why does it cost $3 to wash and $3 to dry? $3 a piece, $6. And I need to come up with an invention that you can wash your clothes on the truck. No, wash them here and then dry them on the truck and use your harness, your safety harness, as a clothesline. For those who are solo drivers, use your safety harness. Some people have a safety harness on the top bunk. Depends on the truck that you have. I think a T680 has one. Baby, just go back and use it as a clothesline. Quit playing. Look like you got one load, you know, so I'm trying to do the increment. But if I had a lot, it'd have been an issue. So I said, let me go and wash these clothes real quick. So, oh yeah. I sit on top. Oh yes, while my clothes are washing, I sit and watch them because I don't want anyone to steal my underwears or my clothes, and I just don't trust folks. I'm not used to having a laundromat. I have a washer and dryer at my house, but if I'm at the laundromat, I sit right here. Sit right down. Sit by my washer. I don't play that. Alright, y'all have a good day. Oh, I'm gonna post those pictures of my home time. I thought I was gonna have time to edit it, but I'm running, so if I post anything, it's gonna be on my Instagram. I might do Instagram and actually on my YouTube. I really don't edit stuff, be raw footage, but sometimes, this time my kids are talking kind of crazy, and I want y'all to see, you know, how they are acting, and where they get it from. Like, Lord have mercy, that's all you hear me saying. But stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm gonna post it on my YouTube, so you gotta subscribe to that. Bye.